Hi, in this video we are going to see SBI POs 2021 notification. This is a very good opportunity for the students who are preparing for banking sectors. Here 2056 post has released by SBI. This is for all graduations and post graduations. 2021 passed out students also can apply for this. That means now who are in final year of the graduation, they can also apply for this post. If you want to get regular updates from our channel, just press the bell icon and click the subscribe button. While going into the present content of the video, here are the details of online registration for application and payment of fees. This application has started from 5th of October up to 25th of October. Before applying, candidates are requested to ensure that they fulfill the eligibility criteria for the post as on the date of eligibility. Okay. The process totally is online. That means the process of registration is completely only when fees is deposited with the bank through online mode or before the last date of 25th of October. Okay. Candidates are advised to visit the website of the official website of the bank for any updates. Okay, if there any change in the update, then you have to visit this website. Here are the tentative schedules of event. We already seen that online modification or editing is only up to 25th of October, and the fee has to be paid before 25th of October itself. After paying successful amount, we can download the examination call letter in first or second week of the November onwards. The exam will be on November or December of this year 2021. This will be first exam will be preliminary exam, second phase is nothing but mains exam, third phase is interview. Okay, after qualifying in first, then only we are eligible to the mains exam. After qualifying in mains only, then only we will be called for the interview. This is the final stage of the process. After selecting in interview, we will get our job. The tentative dates are given. Online mains exam will be at December 2021, whereas coming to the interview within the second or third week of the February. Declaration of the results will be February or March 2022. Okay, here are some based upon the category wise vacancies are given. For is nothing but letter writing or essay writing, that is of 2 questions. Okay, total 50 marks. That means each question carries 25 marks. Sectional criteria for third phase will be merit list will be drawn on the basis of aggregate marks scored in phase 2. That means in mains exam whatever we are going, aggregate marks will be given for phase 3 selection process. Okay, there will be penalty for wrong answers applicable. Okay, that means there is a negative mark for given 1/4 of the marks will be assigned for the questions will be deducted as penalty for arriving at corrected score. Okay, this is the procedure actually how. Examination centers also they have allowed. That means they have indicated examination center for different states. If you want to see, these are the different states that you can choose your respective state and city which you are. That means in which city you want to write nearby cities. So this is a procedure. I will provide this link in description box. You can go through those links and just you can click on that link and you can apply for the SBI POs notification. Okay. Thank you. 300 posts are given for backlog 24, total 324 they have given. While coming to ST, 150 they have given regular and 12 are for backlog, total 162 for OBC and general total. Totally there are 2000 for regular vacancy and 56 for backlog vacancy. Well, coming to total 2056 posts they have released. While coming to eligibility criteria, essential academic qualifications as on 31st 12/21. Okay. Those who are in final year semester of the graduation may also apply, provisional subject to the condition that if called for interview. Okay, this is the details of eligibility criteria they have given here. After eligibility criteria, they have given sectional procedure for exam. Phase 1 preliminary exam. In phase 1 preliminary exam, it consists of the objective test for 100 marks. 100 marks complete. This test will have 3 sections. For 100 marks, there will be separate 3 sections for each section. Okay, that means separated by each section. What are the 3 sections means? First one is English language, which consists of 30 questions. 20 minutes time will be given for 30 questions. Whereas coming to second section, that is nothing but quantitative aptitude. 35 questions it consists of 20 minutes they have given for time. While coming to the reasoning aptitude is the third section, and 35 questions they have given 20 minutes time. Totally 100 questions we have 1 hour of time to attempt 100 questions in prelims exam. After clearing the prelims exam, for the mains exam also divided into 2 sections, while conducted for online, objective for 200 marks and descriptive for 50 marks. Okay, whereas coming to objective now sectional cutoff is sectional division is nothing but reasoning and computer aptitude 45 questions, 60 marks maximum. Okay, duration is 60 minutes. Whereas coming to data analysis and interpretation, 35 marks, 35 questions they have given and marks for 60 marks, 45 minutes duration they have given. Whereas coming to general economy or banking awareness, 40 questions, 40 marks, 35 minutes. Whereas coming to English language, 35 questions, 40 marks and 40 minutes. Total 155 questions we have. Out of that, 200 marks are allocated for 155 questions in 3 hours. Whereas coming to descriptive, the descriptive is of 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. It will be a test of English language, that is nothing but letter writing or